Hey folks, welcome back to Ask Elk, where you send us questions and we provide you answers. The question on this episode: can I use refrigerant press jaws or tools with water press fittings? And it's a mixed answer. First off, let's talk about the jaw. Now, the press jaws are designed for specific fittings and specific manufacturers. So if you have a press jaw, say for an RLS refrigerant fitting, it will not work on other brands of refrigerant press fittings or on water press fittings. What you can use is you can use the press tools with multiple types of press jaws. So if you have one tool, or you're going to buy one press tool, I recommend looking at it and figuring out how it's going to work for your whole job. Do you need it to do water as well as refrigerant, and will it fit both types of jaws? Hope this helps you understanding a little bit more about press jaws. Remember, if you've got questions, we've got answers. Throw them in the comments, #AskElk, and we'll see you on the next one.